know she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody, so me take her off for the scene. You're right, yeah.
You know we get that work in us the morning. Rifle clip long and bend up like hose. Nozzle flash and a camera fi pose. Tell them say a coffin and rose. Alright, if them this is dancehall queen, then I be all in murder. Them badness outdated, me never heard of.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. How you doing, M&MG family? A long time we never brought you guys a review. We've been traveling, still traveling, trying to get all the travel in before snow locks us up and we can't really get to maneuver. So please bear with us. And we're also cleaning up the channel as well because of some stuff that happened. So we need to clean up our channel. So just please be patient with us. But thank you for continuing to watch all of our previous videos and our previous interviews. Definitely appreciate it. As usual, big up to all those that continue to leave beautiful comments, beautiful messages, and great feedback in our comment section. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, please. Share. We will continue to give you guys some great content, continue to give you guys some great interviews. We're going to definitely do a year-end review of all the people we've interviewed and let you guys vote on some of the funniest things for the year. So tune into that. Look out for that before the end of the year. And I might be doing something for Halloween. So look out to see if we put out something special for Halloween. You know, we have to kind of keep it hush-hush because people love to bite with style. I love to do for style. So anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to give you guys Beenie Man's show. I'm going to let you guys get to see Beenie Man's performance, highlights of it. Just give you guys a quick review what I thought overall of Alkaline's show performance. But you guys definitely know you guys could go and watch his performance as well. I need you guys to also remember that Lone Madness merch is out. Make sure you guys go and get your Lone Madness merch. So guys, great news. Mavado will be in concert Saturday, December 10th, 2022. It is the return of Mavado birthday celebration in New York. And if you guys don't know, Mavado always keeps his birthday usually, not always, in New York City. I've been wanting to go for the longest time. So make sure you guys go and get those early bird tickets for $60. 9112 144th Place, Queens, New York, right? So you guys got to check that out. You can get your tickets online at everbright.com/Mavado birthday 2022. Doors open at 10 p.m. We have a bunch of sound man that are going to be there entertaining you as well. So make sure you guys check that out. And hey, you might see the golds. I'm sure more surprises will come with this flyer as well. M&MG family would like to say congratulations to Mavado and Kidi Music for continuing to top Billboard with their songs Blessed. Every time I'm getting ready to do this part of the video, I see it's climbing and climbing and climbing. It is now number 2 on this week of October 29th Billboard charts. Yay! Congratulations to the both of them putting in the work. You guys, again, a reminder, vote for Kidi on the African Music Awards as well as Alkaline once the site is back and running properly. I am so excited. Just excited. Congratulations. You know, I love Alkaline and Mavado because they don't have to feel the need to constantly be putting their music in people's face like some other artists them, but yet they continue to mash up the place. Because Alkaline also was on the top 5 charts for audio Mac, like, in the week. So, hey, and he doesn't have no new music out. Hey, I so will love it. Then just like easy and still I mash up the place and breaking records. Who's jealous? Oh, God. So we're here early. Got him in the parking lot. Mr. Good looking dapper. Nice and organized so far. Alright, let's go. Thank you, babe. This is the VIP section. It's the general admission section. And then we go up here. So we still came early enough, which is great. Okay, go ahead. We're there, Mr. Gold, we're there. Hey guys, so we are here at the venue and we're so excited. We came late, but it was still early, so we're here about 6:30 p.m. about to go find our seats. Alright, so big up everybody and we'll bring you back some more from Alkaline. I enjoyed myself. We had a great time. The venue where it kept was just a beautiful place. The setup was a little awkward. The VIP section, in my opinion, should have been more on the stage section. Like the stage would have been great if everything was reversed. Like the VIP was right above the stage where we could watch the concert. But if you did have VIP access, you were able to go from the VIP section to the main floor to see Alkaline perform up front. And as you guys know, or if you don't know because you're just watching this video for the first time, and if you are, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We took our footage from the VIP section because for me, it was all about trying to capture the moment for you guys, my M&MG family. So you guys could check out Alkaline's concert, of course, on our page and get to watch the whole show. It was hilarious. Our viewpoint from the VIP section with the whole screen captures moments that a lot of people weren't able to see because of their viewpoint being low. Some people didn't see that the security guard flipped over and so forth. So I highly recommend you watch our footage. But overall, the show was a great show. They had a lot of young acts that performed early out in the show and kept people entertained throughout the show. But a lot of people believed that it was a late dance. When we left the venue about 11 o'clock, a lot of people were actually still just coming and thinking dance is about to start. Like Chicken Man was set up when we were leaving, but he probably all thought he came on time, but he wasn't there when the show began. And we came about, I would say about the 6-7 o'clock in the evening we came. Show started about 3 o'clock, they said. And people still didn't arrive at that time. It's not until later on. But when Beenie Man performed, a lot of people did leave. Right after Beenie Man came on the stage, a lot of people did leave the venue. So a lot of people did come for the show. And Beenie Man probably did have a lot of fans that wanted to come and see him, to be fair, but people thought the show was late, you know? Also that night, Spice was performing. And in Toronto, it was a long weekend. We we had the holiday Thanksgiving the Monday. So a lot of people, they have to get up in the morning, do Thanksgiving dinner on the Monday. So some people just didn't come out because of that too. So we have to keep that in mind. But overall in Toronto, Thanksgiving weekend is a competitive night. So Alkaline had trust me, he had a huge amount of turnout, and you're able to see it from the viewpoints that we're showing, especially when we show the highlights of Beenie Man's performance. You'll see that the place was really big. Right underneath where we were in the VIP section, there's people in another section that was leveled up. That was kind of like a little VIP section. And then you had the ground, right? So the place was packed, but there was like just a little pocket on the side. And it might have been for a safety issue, because if there's any fire and so forth, I'm not too sure if it was gated off or burned off, but there was a little pocket on the left-hand side that didn't have much people. But other than that, it was like more than 3/4 of the place was fully packed on the ground level. And then you have the VIP level. And then the VIP level also had 3 balconies and 2 smoking areas where people could chill out and smoke outdoors. So this place is humongous, about 85,000 square feet. Usually they have 6 functional rooms. So they literally could keep 6 events at this place one time without interrupting another event. And Alkaline's show that he took part in was actually, the whole place was for him and Beenie Man and everybody else. So people need to really keep that in mind. If this was another banquet hall, another concert hall, where it was just the audience and the stage, it would have been fully packed from all viewpoints, right? So at the end of the day, they did a good job. I don't really want people coming too hard on the promoter. It looks like it's a regular event that they keep annually, but because of the pandemic, this is the first time really since the pandemic that we had all these large concerts happening back again in the city, right? And some people are still not comfortable with going out as well because of monkeypox, and we have cases still with COVID happening. So people also need to keep that in mind. So basically, when the place isn't packed and there's a safe amount of space where people can sit down on tables and chairs, it can hold 2,000 with tables and chairs and stuff on the ground, right? That's with that. The tables and chairs were not on the ground, so there was definitely more than 2,000 people that were at the event. But it's a great venue. The promoters, again, did very well. Just to give you guys an idea, like this place was pretty much bigger than the size of like a hockey rink. And I probably would say it's probably about 2 of them on the ground, and probably like the space of what was above, was probably about 3/4 of a hockey rink above, just to give you guys an idea of how big it was. But I just wanted to personally say that me and Mr. Gold had a great time. Big up Alkaline, big up Carrie. I'm always never getting the chance to get to see Carrie because we're just all so busy in the moment. So we'll see if we get to see Carrie at the next event where Alkaline is performing next. So stay tuned to find out where he's going to be on Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. So guys, I just realized Beenie Man, it did a lot of time. Oh my gosh, when I'm ready to edit this video, I realize I have about 40 minutes worth of footage and I did not take everything. So it's his first time in Canada and he was excited. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just give you guys a separate video. So look out for just Beenie Man in Canada if you guys want to get some jokes and see Beenie Man perform in Canada. In the meantime, I'll give you a little taste of his performance here. Big up. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for liking the video. Thank you very much just for watching. So big up on yourself. Stay blessed.
This is a place I'm going.